Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Sweet Supari is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
These hard betel nuts are precision cut by the machines into the perfect size for chewing.
Check the thickness gauge, please.
It's stable. Feed rate is constant as well.
Confirmed. We are good to proceed.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality, ensuring the perfect balance of sweetness and spice.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Sweet Supari is made. Rukrons, from start to finish.